being here with us today. Small businesses throughout Wisconsin are the backbone of our economic engine. Small businesses are 97% of the job creators in Wisconsin, and over 52% of the private sector jobs in Wisconsin. As I talk to small business owners around the state, I hear really the same needs. The largest issue, access to capital. Whether it's a startup cost, a cash flow issue, business growth, or job creator, our job creators need capital. And we need small businesses to thrive in order to turn our economy around. Democrats support a number of proposals that give real results and would benefit small businesses. Like one, directing WEDC to set a benchmark for controlled investments to ensure that small businesses have access to capital, providing training and continue to create jobs in Wisconsin. I have many stories of small businesses that want to expand, hire new employees that are simply in a cash flow issue, problems of a need to just that little extra boost that they need to be able to move forward. WEDC could guarantee loans or investment grants that will help to bridge that gap between where they are and where they could grow to. Reinstating an effective minority business program that's proven to be effective through WEDC would really be, I think, a positive thing for businesses. Providing loans to those businesses for expansion and job creation among those individuals that are in the communities that have the highest unemployment rates would be an extremely targeted approach that would be helpful. Allocating federal tax credits to WEDC, to local businesses that commit to hiring workers directly affected in the neighborhoods would definitely be a project that could work. We have the example. Harambe neighborhood did a prototype where they hired individuals and did development simultaneously. It really helped that community. Restoring the WISC system, small business assistance program would truly help. This takes high-tech research and development, and it allows small businesses to grow who have under 25 individuals working with them. This is where the growth is in this time, in this economy. Technology is moving rapidly. Those small businesses that have high-tech entrepreneurs, we need to figure out how to rally behind them to be able to help their businesses to grow. SB 39 will help provide small state loan programs and investments for regional developments like M7 and other organizations like that who know their local businesses and know the needs in their various regions. No one knows better than those types of groups about the challenges that small businesses have. We need to rally behind them. And lastly, two other areas. Agriculture. Wisconsin, aren't we the dairy state? Across Wisconsin, new farming techniques are there to create jobs. Democrats want to invest in new farming techniques that are proven to create jobs, and we can invest in them. In Milwaukee, for example, Growing Power and many other organizations are putting people to work and growing a new local food movement. We can build on that. We can help build capacity and create new jobs for local residents and by providing loans and grants to build urban farming and in other cities in Wisconsin. And lastly, I'd like to say we could do something to help to make sure that federal dollars that are flying away from Wisconsin that could create jobs, that at least it would come through the legislature to confirm that we should be giving up these dollars. We could ensure American and Wisconsin jobs by requiring state agencies to look to Wisconsin companies for goods and services first. And adding any federal funding offered to Wisconsin, that potentially creates Wisconsin contractors creating jobs, it creates opportunity. And the full legislature should have a vote before we determine sending dollars back. We need to get to work. Let's get to work to my Republican colleagues. These are just a few ideas that are grounded in the reality that small businesses face every day in this state, places where the Senate is ready to get to work. By passing these bills, small businesses can grow, and they can grow stronger. And we need to get to work and help them to do that. Next, the Assistant Minority Leader, Dave Hanson.
Thank you.